Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about tenses. So tenses, as you all know, that are of three types. They are present, past and future. Now this tense is derived from tense is derived from the Latin word tempus, which means time. See, if we used to talk about the parts of speech, there are only verb which is most affected by times. So this verb indicates a time of action, event or condition by changing its form. This is the only type of parts of speech which used to change its form according to the time of action. So on that basis, time are divided on three types, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. And then now I'm going to discuss about present, past and future tense. So present tense expresses an unchanging, repeated or reoccurring action of situation that exists only now. It can also represent a widespread truth. That means present tense is the tense which is right now going on. जो समय अभी चल रहा है वही आपका प्रेजेंट टेंस है. आफ्टर दैट पास्ट टेंस, बीते हुए समय को हम पास्ट टेंस बोलते हैं, है ना. द पास्ट टेंस एक्सप्रेसेस एन एक्शन और सिचुएशन दैट वाज स्टार्टेड एंड फिनिश्ड इन द पास्ट. जो पहले ही शुरू हुआ और पहले ही ख़त्म हो गया वही कहलाता है पास्ट टेंस. फ्यूचर टेंस मीन्स द टाइम विच इज़ अबाउट टू कम. फ्यूचर टेंस एक्सप्रेसेस एन एक्शन और सिचुएशन दैट विल अकर इन द फ्यूचर. द एक्शन इज स्टिल अवेटेड, है ना. Then next, on the aspect basis, now all these three types of tenses are further divided into four types each, that are indefinite or simple, continuous or progressive, perfect or complete, or perfect continuous tenses. All these three tenses, that means present, past, futures, are further divided into four more types on the basis of their aspects. They are known as present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Same as present continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect or future perfect continuous. Now next slide. See student, this is none of my own presentation. I have taken it from Google. And the perfect, about perfect tenses, the three complete tenses or perfect tenses describe a finished action. Okay, this slide will discuss about uh, what are indefinite tenses, continuous tenses, perfect tenses or perfect continuous tenses. When we used to talk about indefinite tenses, we used to understand that indefinite tenses are also known as simple tenses, and they describe an action but do not state whether the action is finished or not. Now, continuous tenses, as the word itself will give you the meaning, that continuous tenses are your progressive tenses. That means the action is started but still unfinished. That means the action is still going on. That will be described by the continuous tenses. Now, next one is your perfect tenses. What is this? Perfect tense are the three complete tenses or perfect tenses describes a finished action. This will state you that the action is completed. That is perfect tenses. And the last one, that is perfect continuous tenses. See one more thing, that perfect tenses are also known as complete tenses. The continuous tense is also known as progressive tenses, and indefinite tenses are also known as simple form of tenses. So after that, now just see this slide here, you can understand easily with this chart. That is tenses which are further divided into three types. They are present, past and future. All these three types are divided into four each. They are present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Now future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Now moving to the next slides, we are going to learn the rules of tenses. This here I have only explained you about the forms of tenses. Now we are going to learn the rules of the tenses. Today we have only discussed the present tense and its types, so we are going to do only this. So present simple form, that means simple present, is also known as present indefinite, and the rule is subject plus v1 plus SOES. Now progressive forms is having the format of the structure of the sentence is subject plus is am are plus we plus ing. Now next perfect form, we'll have subject plus have, has, or v3. Now perfect progressive form, subject plus have, has, been, plus verb having ing. So now what you are going to do, I'm going to share these pictures, and you all are going to see it in the video, and will also share it in your group. So you all are going to revise it, and from tomorrow we will discuss all other two types of tenses, and we'll try to give you some examples which will make you make you more comfortable. So this will be done for today. Now students, one more thing which I think I have forgot to tell you. There was one more slide which I have taken it. Here this was that word tense is derived from the Latin word tempus, which means time. A verb indicates the time of an action. That means ये जो tense शब्द है, ये कहाँ से लिया गया है? ये लिया गया है लैटिन भाषा के टेम्पस शब्द से, और टेम्पस का मतलब होता है टाइम. ठीक है? आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टैंड. Now we will meet on tomorrow's class.